Hi guys, welcome you all. Today we are going to learn daily uses vocabulary for daily life. First of all, welcome to all Jaisana classes. Thank you so much for joining us and let's get started. First word is determine. Does mean to discover facts or truth. We can say to discover facts or truth. Does mean determine. It is a helping verb. Okay. Sentence is here. It is responsibility of the court. It does mean this is a responsibility of the court to determine whether these men are innocent. Okay, there is a case of murder, there is a case of something what to say, determine work. So it is the responsibility of the court to determine whether these men are innocent. There are some innocent people, but this is responsibility to determine that determine that thing which is would be a proof, would be a proof to declare that they are innocent or guilty. So it is the responsibility of the court to determine whether these men are innocent or guilty. Okay, so determine means to discover facts or truth. Next word is peaceable. So it is made from two words, peace and able. Peaceable. Something is non-violent. Something is with peace. Something is with peace. Okay, means non-violent. They believe only in peaceable protest. Okay, there are some person who are following Gandhiji. So that is why they believe only in peaceable protest. Next sentence is Gandhiji used to want peaceable protest. Okay, Gandhiji generally used to want peaceable protest because they used to follow non-violent system. They used to have non-violence. That is why peaceable protest Gandhiji used to want. Okay, next word is gales of laughter. Gales of laughter. It does mean a lot of loud laughter. A lot of loud laughter, like ha 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 ha. So this is a gales of laughter, but very huge laughter. I am only here, so my laugh would be a single voice, but gales of laughter does mean a lot of loud laughter. I heard gales of laughter which was coming from guest room. Okay, I heard a lot of loud laughter which was coming from guest room. Okay, and the last word is for the today, buzz off. It does mean to tell someone to go away in a rude way. Buzz off, go away. Okay, sentence here, buzz off, I am busy. Like someone is having a problem, someone is very rude, very unhappy. He might be telling you, buzz off, I am busy. Buzz off from here, I am busy. Okay, next one is I am already exhausted. Does mean I am already tired. Don't irritate me. Buzz off from here. Okay, it does mean I am already exhausted. Don't irritate me. Go away from here. Okay, so guys, today we have learned buzz off, girls of laughter, peaceable, and determined. So till then, bye bye. Thank you so much. We will meet in next video with new words. Okay.